episode from Olive to Craft, and this is my brother, Rocky. And today we're making a bean frame to celebrate Father's Today, all you're gonna need is a picture frame, glue, and dried beans. We're gonna stick some beans along the rim of the picture frame. Rocky's gonna make what squirt. First, we're gonna stick the beans around the rim of the picture frame. Rocky's gonna squirt a pinky size of glue onto the frame, and I'm gonna stick a bean onto it. You can outline the frame with the beans, or you can try and cover as much of the frame as you can and go over the edges. It doesn't have to be perfect. It can be as clean as as messy as you want it to be. Ours is very messy. Yeah. Okay. There's more glue than beans. Actually, I'm pretty sure. Okay, now
Beans good for the heart. The more you eat, the more you fart.
big bean. Big bean. Put some glue. We're almost done. We just need to add a few more beans. Put some glue right there. Oh, here? Okay. No! Move. Right there.
Oh, shut your shit
Oh, no! Oh, no! It's too big of a dot. Now just one more little tiny bean. Smush, smush. We are finished! Now that we finished, Now that we've finished gluing down the beans, we're gonna let the glue dry. And we're also gonna go clean up because some of the beans didn't make it onto the picture frame. Now that our beans have dried, we've taken out the paper that comes with the picture frame, flipped it over, and wrote, Happy Father's Day! Thanks for watching. Now get your craft on and get your happy on and have a crafty Father's Day! Bye!